This is a guitar jam track for Shotgun by George Ezra. Hey, I'm Craig from the Primary Guitar Academy, and this is a guided jam track so you can practice at home and actually sound like you're playing real music. If you're one of my students, this is a great way to practice at home and build your confidence. Parents, this is a good one to put on in the afternoon so that your child actually practices and you can monitor that. If you're new here, welcome. We're going to play some guitar together. You can start at level 1 and build up. It's a great idea to tune before you play, so take this moment now, pause the video and tune up. If you're not sure how to do that, there's a video up here where I can teach you. All the chords and the tabs will be on the screen so you can follow along even if you're learning, and it's all split up into chapters. So we're going to start easy and we're going to get progressively more challenging as we go. So pick the chapter that suits your skill level, and I reckon rewind it and do it 3 or 4 times till you feel really confident about it. If you're feeling really good, go up to the next level and then come back to it, I reckon a couple of times a week, because repetition is what is going to help you become a better guitarist. So let's jump in and have a jam. We've just got a simple version of this song here that we're playing along to today. So you can see the chords on the screen there. We've got G, C, G, D. So pause that if you need to just get your head around where those chords are, those finger shapes. Otherwise, we'll get into it. We're going to start nice and slow. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4.
Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road. Gotta hit the road. Something changed in the atmosphere, architecture unfamiliar. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone.
Beautiful. That's a nice simple way to play that song. We're just strumming once at the start of every bar. I'm going to do another version now. I'll take my guitar out of it and you can add your own strumming patterns if you like. See if you can match that drum beat. Otherwise, just play it again. It's going to be the same speed, just without my guitar. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4.
Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road. Gotta hit the road. Something changed in the atmosphere, architecture unfamiliar. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone.
All right, well, this last time through, we're going to do the same thing. My guitar's not going to be in it. It's just going to be faster, closer to the real tempo of the song. So if you think you're up for that, play along. Otherwise, skip back and redo that last chapter. But this is Shotgun, faster version. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road. Gotta hit the road. Something changed in the atmosphere, the architecture unfamiliar. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone.
go back and do verse 2.
We're south of the equator, navigator. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. Deep sea diving round the clock, bikini bottoms, like tops. I can get used to this. The time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone.
Beautiful. That's the jam track for Shotgun. If you're able to nail that fast one, I reckon just go back and practice it. See if you can get some different strumming patterns over that to make it sound good. Otherwise, you've got this song jammed. Well, if you've tried learning guitar before and it's never quite stuck, it's probably not because you can't do it, but more because you don't have a simple plan. So that's why I've created the Primary Guitar Academy to be a step-by-step guide to help you learn how to guitar. Learn how to play guitar. We start super simple with really simple melodies and some easy chords, so you don't have to guess what to do. I'll show you what to do and in what order. As we're learning that, we apply that to actual songs. So together we'll play over 30 songs using these techniques and chords that you learn in the course. It's a self-paced thing you can do when you've got time, because that's the hardest thing, isn't it? You can't commit to every Thursday at 4 o'clock or whatever for guitar lessons, but you could find some time to play guitar if that's what you want to do. It's great for kids who want to learn how to play guitar. It's great for busy parents as well, or for anyone who feels like they've missed the window on learning guitar, but it's something they always wanted to do. This will help you at your own pace. Click the link below. There's some more info there. I'd love to teach you how to play guitar. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next jam.